building a cricket today. Based on the pitch of this roof, which is a 412, you're supposed to go up 1/6 the width of the chimney for the height of the cricket. So we ended up going up 11 inches up the wall here, and we popped a line for our valley rafters. I got you. We're about to put these 2x6s on. Looks like the peak is about 21 degrees, so we're going to cut our 2 peak boards at 21 degrees real quick. Then we're going to measure and see how long this rafter needs to be. We're fighting the weather. It's supposed to rain about 2 o'clock, and it's 8:30 right now. Going with 33.5. We should be able to take the 90-degree square and subtract 21 from our peak and get the remaining angle for the bottom of this rafter. So we're also going to set our saw to 18.5 degrees for this cut at the bottom of this rafter. Alright, we're going to see how they fit. That peak angle was wrong, so we're going to take some off. That angle's correct, so we're going to put them together. I'm also going to do some math to figure out how long this ridge beam needs to be. Have a construction calculator. Let's go to triangle. We went up 11 inches. The roof pitch is 412. That means 2 foot 9 inches, and then I'll subtract the width of that board, which is 1.5. It means 31.5 degrees. 31.5 inches is how long our ridge board needs to be. Check it and see how level it is. Our ridge beam's a little short, so we're gonna cut a shim for it. So now we're gonna cut our rafter or our valley boards. Alright, we got the frame done. Now we're gonna add some plywood. Rain's getting closer. We may not have till 2 o'clock. Okay, now we're gonna put some ice and water on it. Looks like we got about 2 hours. I don't know if we're going to be able to get all the shingles and the flashing on here before it rains, but we'll keep you guys in touch.